Our first recipe in ESSIE'S kitchen is marinated kienyeji chicken. Twende kazi. First, I'm going to marinate my kienyeji chicken, and I have my kienyeji chicken here, and then I will use ginger and garlic, and then I have my rosemary leaves, and then my salt, and then I'll use garam masala, just kidogo, and then cardamom. Next step, we're going to marinate our chicken. Actually, the purpose of marination, it helps in tenderizing the chicken and makes it juicier. Mix your ingredients well. Mix your ginger and garlic well. Add your cardamom. Then add your garam masala. Then add your salt, a pinch. And then our rosemary. It gives a good flavor. Actually, you can add spices of your choice. You don't have to use the ones I'm using. If you like spices, you can use more. Mix your ingredients together well. Being a kienyeji chicken, be careful as you mix because of the hard bones. Finally, you can add your lemon juice. It gives a good taste as well. Then after this, now you can wrap it up and put it in your fridge for like 2 hours or so. Depends the way you want it. Even overnight, you can also do it overnight. Now we're good to go. Now my kienyeji chicken is ready. I'd put it in the fridge for like 2 hours. Now I want to boil my kienyeji chicken for like maybe 1 hour or so. It depends. From there, put it in the sufuria, and then I'm going to add my water. I'm going to boil my kienyeji chicken for like 1 hour, and then after there, we fry them. Then after boiling my kienyeji chicken for like 1 hour, I'm going to fry my onions. I'm going to fry my onions. My onions are ready. Now I'll put my tomatoes. Put my tomato. then here I'm going to add I have 2 Royco cubes. I'm going to add my Royco cubes here, 2 of them. After like 1 minute, I'm going to add my hoho. Add your hoho like that, and then here I'm going to add my kienyeji. Then I'm going to add my kienyeji chicken, guys. Ooh. The aroma is just amazing, amazing, amazing. I love. Can't wait. Like that. And then I'm going to leave it for like 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, you can now check your chicken. Ooh, I love kuona utamu. I think actually my chicken is ready. I'm going to add my chicken stock kidogo. Just for gravy. Just kidogo. The aroma is just amazing. I love the smell. And I'm not going to add any salt. I'd put salt while I was marinating the chicken. So from here the chicken is ready. Now you can garnish your chicken with coriander. Your coriander. And then from there you can serve it with anything, with ugali, anything that you love. I'm going to serve mine with ugali and managu, tereres, the grilled, the vegetables. Wow. Switch off your gas and you're good to go.